Okay, just a little follow-up here. I've added a 10K pot, and I'm going to see if I can move it here. It's a little stiff for the job, but I've got it linked to the player B side, and I can clearly control the paddle. But then again, these little guys are a little bit too stiff to use in one hand, and I'll probably just mount that into something and give it a little bit better of a knob on top of it. And I've just quickly tapped it into my little test rig here, and played against the super simple, super stupid, I guess you would call it the AI. It just has some rules for randomly deciding whether the other one's going up and down. Anyhow, it's just a little bit of a supplemental update, and when I get the other pot hooked up, and I'll probably have to make up a little board to plug this in because there's just not enough room on my quick development tool here. Again, it's just only so that I could really test Nano code and sort of our Uno-based Arduino code for these screens. And the backpack is really simple. It's just four pins on a female header with a little bit of 3D printer, like from a 3D doodler, bonding it to a 6-pin header that allows it to bridge the power supply and to the two pins of the I2C bus. And then I tapped into the in-chip programming header to get some power for this, and hooked it up to one of the unused analog pins, and I'm just reading that, and that's giving me my position for the paddle. And as you can see here, again, I'll just try and move it with one hand. It's not that easy, but it works pretty good. A little better now. I guess that pot's new, and again, that's just a little 10K. I'm not sure if that's focusing here. That's just a little 10K pot. Nothing too magic about it. I'm just using it on some DuPont cable here. Real easy to set up, and maybe a little bit later today I'll have that set up and maybe show you what this outputs to the serial terminal. It's not all that interesting, but there's a running score that is sent out over USB or serial, and I suppose I could get even crazier and maybe add a little Wi-Fi module to this, but that might be going a little bit too far. Anyhow, thanks for watching again.